Hello again. In this video I'd like to show you briefly my Nokia N9, and this phone is situated here in the middle. It's running an operating system called MeeGo, and it had quite a short life, so this is the only phone I have with this operating system on. I'd just like to show you in size the difference between these other phones. So I'm holding it here in the middle, so this is the Nokia, and it looks a little bit like a Windows phone would look, and they certainly followed this generation of phone, and as you can see, that's looks quite like a Windows back to it. It's got kind of a beveled appearance, and it will actually spin on its back. Comparison, this is a it's quite a slim phone. It's a Sony XA1, and this is obviously an Android phone, and you can see it's a little bit more narrow than the Sony. And then this phone here is the one I'm using as a viewfinder for the video. This is just an iPhone SE first generation, and they're quite similar in size actually. The SE is slightly bigger than the Nokia N9, as you can see. The screen sizes are very similar as well. So basically we've got some buttons here on the side, so you've got your volume and you've got your on and off sort of standby there button. And then on the top you've got a headphone jack, and you've actually got behind this flap you've actually got the port for charging and connecting your USB lead. So that's really quite neat, isn't it? So let's close that up. So let's put it back into sleep. You can wake this up just by double pressing on the screen and then move the screen up. So it's a very fluid to touch, very smooth scrolling interface, and the screen, as you can see, it's small but it's nice and bright, and you can see I've filled up the phone with lots of useless things, so it's running a bit low on storage now. We can swipe left and right to look at various other screens. So if we go like that, we can see current apps that are running. So this is really neat, a really neat idea, and obviously we saw that on other phones that followed. We've also got a notification here as a status sort of screen, so this is a bit like you would have at the top of the phone if it was like an Android. You'd probably pull that down and clear your notifications. So yeah, not too bad. So I just wanted to show you, I've downloaded some games, and one of my favourites when I was at college was Wolfenstein. So let's see how that actually works. So this is the port of Wolfenstein 3D for this phone. PC 13. So we're loading at the moment. Let's do a new game. Okay. Don't hurt me. I normally play Can I Play Daddy, but let's try this. Okay. So I'm gonna go through this door into the game. That's the door. Okay. I suppose I should have filled up on some food first, but I'll just go in and... Hey, there's only one there. That's pretty good. So as you can see, the screen is it's sort of expanded now to fill the whole screen, which is nice. And oh, this is where you have to shimmy along, isn't it? It's been a while. Oh. So yeah, the sounds there works quite nicely, doesn't it? If only I was good at it. Oh, there's a dog. Bye, dog. The problem with playing on a small phone, it's and you've got big thumbs, sort of get in the way, don't they? So it plays out quite well, so let's just stop that. Okay, for Guns and Glory, for Work and Worry. Yeah, let's have a bit of Work and Worry. There you go, so that exits the game. So Quake 2, don't think I've played it on here. You can see it's pretty quick at loading. Okay. So I think I'm going to leave this in the demo mode so you can actually see the screen. I actually love this game so much. On the PC, I believe I completed the whole game, and yeah, it was one of my favourites at the time anyway, Quake 2. I don't think I could probably do it now, not on this phone. So running it quite nicely there, as you can see. So let's see if we can exit. There we go. Back into the front screen. So most of these things on here now have trouble working, so YouTube doesn't work anymore. I think it only sent you to the browser, and the browser's out of date. So there's Facebook. I mean, this is going back in time a bit now, so obviously you're not going to be using this phone, but as something that's interesting and different, it certainly is, and I hope you liked just watching this very short video. I've got a few other interesting phones which I've yet to make videos on, so yeah, thank you for watching. Bye for now.